My people, it's about that time.
Like a boss.
Live from the USA, hoping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today we are doing a live price update on XRP. This is one of the most notable coins on the blockchain right now due to its recent battle with the SEC and its recent victory. So we're going to see how that's affecting the price and what you can expect from this asset in the future. So if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, also known as the Crypto Trader, and I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you get to profit as a result, and today is no exception. So if you haven't done it already, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. My mission is to help as many people make as much money as possible when it comes to trading BTC, so you are rocking with the best. So ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and make this money. Did I mention we giving away free Bitcoin, FREEBTC? If you want to win, all you need to do is shout out your city in the comments. Let me know where in the world you are tuning in from, and every single Friday a new winner is selected. So every video I do over the week is a chance to win, every comment is a chance to win, and every Friday somebody gets paid. And this week we actually picking two winners. I was traveling last weekend, wasn't able to upload a video in time, so this week will be double paid. So one more day to enter. You know, go in and leave comments on all the videos this week if you want to win some free Bitcoin. So let's jump into it. This is the most notable update, I think, on XRP that I could find. SEC's appeal in the lawsuit has continued to develop. For those of you that don't know, Ripple, XRP was sued by the SEC for upwards of $2 billion. This has been going on for a few years now, and within the past, I think, 2 months, XRP received judgment that they would only have to pay like $100 million as opposed to $2 billion. So it's really just a slap on the wrist, especially when you XRP and you've been buying Bitcoin since it was like $200-300. You know what I'm saying? It's 60 G's now. So 100 billion really ain't that much in their world. So but the price really hasn't started to pick up yet. So this article starts to talk about that. I'll go through it real quick. Please disregard the typos. I think the person that was typing this was in a rush. And, you know, we got some typos in there. But nonetheless, Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is taking a different turn than expected. Ripple is requesting to pay the $125 million payment to the SEC. This unexpected twist has sparked debate among community members, speculating an SEC appeal might be imminent. So these things can drag on for seriously years. Like when you're talking $2 billion to the government from a private corporation, that's probably like 2 to 5 years minimum, maybe even more. They can go, 10, 20 years sometime. But it says some worry that the dragging out of the lawsuit longer than necessarily will impact Ripple's future and the price of XRP. However, this person downplayed the concern, saying an appealing ruling won't come until 2026, minimizing the impact on SEC. I don't think that's true, because I think the impact has already been felt, and we're going to show that in the chart. So this person is saying it won't come until another 18 months, so the price won't be affected. I'm like, that doesn't even make sense. Despite the widespread concerns over the appeal, prominent lawyer said there's no need to fear. He noted that even if the SEC appeals the case, the ruling won't come until 2026. Again, I think that time, that uncertainty is what is keeping, big liquidity out of the market. This timeline will give Ripple and XRP room to breathe, reducing possible impacts of the lawsuit. In addition, such said person said that the securities allegations against multiple exchanges has downplayed the significance of the appeal. Let's jump down here. According to a September 4th filing, XRP requested an order to pay, I'm guessing, 111% of the $125 million, which is $139 million. The stay order will remain valid to stay 111%. Maybe that's like a legal term. The stay order will remain valid until 30 days following the deadline. So they're trying to get out of it. They said we'll pay more just to be done with it and you not appeal. Because if you appeal and we reappeal, we might have to pay less. Maybe it goes from 125 million to 80 million. Who knows? Here it goes right here. Price action. XRP's price trajectory over the coming days will likely depend on the SEC's move in the lawsuit. There are fears that an SEC appeal will impact the token's price negatively, pushing the price below. That's irrelevant because we don't trade in dollars, we trade in Bitcoin, but pushing the price lower. However, if the SEC doesn't appeal the ruling, XRP could rally to a higher amount. This move will be similar to XRP's sales last July. And they go into some tweets. One of the things, XRP is continuing. I think what's interesting, XRP is, back on track doing business as usual. They've already had amazing partnerships. I believe they were one of the first companies. Really, I probably should follow them. If you don't follow me, you can. By the way, I am on here at Boss of Bitcoin. I need to start building up these socials. So let me jump into my page real quick. Where am I at? Right? There we go. Boss of Bitcoin, BK Crypto Trader, right here. So yeah, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I'm about to be active on there. But let's go back to XRP. XRP Ripple. I wonder how come they didn't change their name. So yeah, they're doing a lot, and especially with the stable coins too. They were one of the most notable blockchain assets with huge partnerships coming into the gate. I think the initial concept was for XRP to replace the SWIFT network, which is the banking cartel behind JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Citibank, Chase, the whole nine, and they're even launching their own stable coin. So I think the future is very, very bright for this asset. And they said, the CEO says it's set to launch in a couple weeks. So it's like they've been holding off on releasing new products, improving their technology, improving their position in the marketplace because this lawsuit has basically had a death grip on the company. This is kind of the chain of events going all the way back to December 21st, 2020. Merry Christmas. You know what I'm saying? SEC come knocking and everything stops all the way through August 7th, 2024. So it's been a solid 3.5, almost 4 years that this price has been affected. And if you look at this price action right here, now see, one of the things people forget, you got what's called the smart money, and the smart money is essentially the whales that have enough money to make politicians work for them. They normally know when something about to happen. It's like one of the reasons Nancy Pelosi is worth almost $1 billion. It's like when you write the laws, you got a good grip on where to put the money at with these companies. So a lot of the money got out early, before the announcement was even made public that the SEC was going after Ripple. So you can imagine probably 18 months before this date is when those in the know began to receive word that XRP was going to be under scrutiny and this was going to be an action taken by such said government. And as a result, it crashed. So we don't have as drastic of a price influx or lack thereof from the case because essentially the smart money was already out. But this part, I think, is pretty interesting. You can see we're still net negative about 60% from that price, right? So if you can add that back, plus a fraction of the venture capitalist money that has left the market, XRP has a very, very, very bright future indeed. One of the things I would look at when I was trading a few years ago, were these extrapolation points kind of trying to project on the likelihood, the longevity of certain trades. This is where this chart naturally wants to get to. And that is basically doing a double top of whatever happened over here. You see that? That same little price area, resistance, it wants to get past that point. And when it does, it's going to be clean and clear all the way probably up until this point, right? If not higher, if not that point. But that's a decent amount of money. And you're looking at a top 5, top 7 crypto company releasing its own stable coin, paying off the government pennies on the dollar, you know, and they said the Rothschild in on like, you know, 7-8% of XRP, the powers that be. Mr. Burns owns it. You know what I'm saying? It's his coin. So it's like playing with house money right now. Sometimes, you know, the only way to beat the house is to beat a house. Right? And I think this coin gives you a chance to do that. It's unfortunate that it's had, you know, kind of the destruction that it did, but therein lies the opportunity. So I think XRP is definitely worth a look, especially for the long term over the next 3 to 6 months. You know, you can see this thing jump up 30-40% on BTC with very little resistance just due to the volume of inflow and the upside potential that it has on the long-term game. So there we go, everybody. XRP to the BTC. Let me know what you think if you appreciate this video. I most certainly do appreciate you. Make sure you smash that like button. And if you want to win some free BTC, shout out your city in the comments. Let me know where you're tuning in from. We go keep this thing on wheels and keep on rolling. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Jerk Money. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit that thumbs up button for a player one time. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss. Arms.